number 2, state the following statement is true or false. 3 cube equal 3 times 3 times 3. So the statement is true. Okay, number 3. State the following statement is true or false. Again, a to the power of 5 equal 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. So the statement is false. So the true statement is when a to the power of 5 equal a times a times a times a times a. Okay, number 4, state the following statement is true or false. 1 per 8 squared equal 1 per 8 times 1 per 8. So the statement is true. Number 5, 0.02 to the power of 4 equals 0.2 times 0.2 times 0.2. So the statement is false. The true statement is 0.02 to the power of 4 equals 0.02 times 0.02 times 0.02 times 0.02. Number 6, z to the power of 4 equals z times z times z times z. So the statement is true. So number 7, hk in bracket squared equal 2hk. The statement is false. The true statement is hk squared, so 2 times 1, 2 times 1. So h to the power of 2, k to the power of 2. This statement is true. Okay, number 8. What is the number form of the following index notation? So 2 to the power of 4 equal 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So the answer is 60. Okay, number 9. 1 per 8 squared. So equal 1 per 8 times 1 per 8. So the answer is 1 per 64. Okay, the number form of 3 cube is 3 times 3 times 3 equal 27. So what is the number form of 9 cube? 9 cube is equal to 9 times 9 times 9 equal to 729. Okay, number 12. What is the number form of 5 to the power of 4? So 5 to the power of 4 is 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. So the answer is 625. Number 13. What is the index notation of 9? So 9 is 3 times 3, which is 3 to the power of 2. Okay, number 14. What is the index notation of 1 million? So we can look at 10. 10 means 10 to the power of 1. 100 equals to 10 times 10. 10 to the power of 2. So here we have 6 zeros. So equals to 10 to the power of 6. Okay, number 15. What is the index notation of 1 per 36? Okay, 1 per 36 is equal to 1 per 6 times 1 per 6. So 1 per 6 squared. Okay, number 16. Simplify. Simplify 2 squared times 2 cube. So simplify, we don't need to give the answer in numbers. So simplify only. So 2 squared times 2 cube equal 2 squared 2. So law number 1 times same base. So index we can add. So 2 plus 3. So the answer is 2 to the power of 5. Okay, number 17. Simplify W to the power of 7 times W to the power of 6. Okay, same base W. So W to the power of 7 times W to the power of 6 equal W. So multiply by using the first law. So the index we can add. So 7 plus 6. So the answer is W to the power of 13. Okay, number 18. Simplify 2 to the power of 8 divide 2 cube. Okay, so by using the second law, so same base, so the index we can subtract. So 8 minus 3. So the answer is 2 to the power of 5. Number 19. Simplify 7 to the power of 5 divide 7 cube. So by using the second law, same base, so 7, index we can subtract. So 5 minus 3. So the answer is 7 squared. Number 20. Simplify m to the power of 9 divide m to the power of 8. Okay, so by using the second law again, so m to the power of 9 divided by m to the power of 8. So same base, index we can subtract. So the answer is m to the power of 1. So if you give the answer m to the power of 1, so you cannot get full mark. So m to the power of 1 means m. So the final answer is m. Sorry. Okay, number 21. State whether cubic of 3 squared equal 3 to the power of 6. Okay, by using the third law, so the power we can multiply. So 3 to the power of 2. So 2 times 3. 2 times 3 equal to 6. So the answer is true. Number 22. State whether square of 5 squared equal 5 to the power of 4. So the index we can multiply. So 2 times 2 equals to 4. So the statement is true. Okay, number 23. Okay, state whether square of 2 to the power of 8 equal 2 to the power of 10. So the power we should multiply. 8 times 2 equals to 16. So the statement is false. So number 24. State whether this statement is true. So 4 cube. So 3 times 4 equals to 12. So the answer is false. Okay, number 25. Is the statement true or false? So 5 times 3 equal 15. So the statement is true. Okay, number 26. Okay, is the statement true or false? So 4, 7. So we can multiply. So 4 times 7 equals to 28. So the statement is false. Okay, number 27. How to simplify this? So we can simplify it. Okay, so 3 to the power of 5 times may multiply. So we can multiply the index. So 3 to the power of 8 divide by 3 to the power of 9. Okay, this one we use the third law. Okay, so 3 to the power of 5 times 3 to the power of 8 by using the first law. So we can add the index. So base 3, so 5 plus 8. Okay, by using the second law, when we divide the number with same base, we can subtract the index. So minus 9. So the answer is 3 to the power of 4. Next, number 28. So we can simplify. So 5 to the power of 4 times, we multiply. So 5 to the power of 6 divide by 5 to the power of 7. So we can use law 1 and law 2. 5 to the power of 4, we can add. So 5 plus 6, this one we can subtract, minus 7. So 5 to the power of 3 or 5 cube. Okay, number 29. So we can simplify. 8, 7 plus 3 divided by 8 to the power of 3 times 2, 6. So the index 10 minus 6. So 8 to the power of 4. Okay. Look at question number 30. So x 3 times 4, 12 times 5 times 2, 10 divided by 2 times 8, so 16. Okay, so we can simplify. 12 plus 10 minus 16. So the answer is x to the power of 6. So number 21. So how are we going to simplify? So tengok sini, 3 to the power of negative 4. So times means we can add the index. So plus 8. So divide. So per 3 to the power of negative 3 means divide by 3 to the power of negative 3. So the index we can subtract, minus negative 3. So 3, 4 plus, okay, plus 3. So 3 to the power of 7. Okay, number 32. So 4, 6 plus negative 3 means minus 3. Minus negative 2 means plus 2. So the answer is 4 to the power of 5. So question 33. Okay, we can simplify. 12 x to the power of 3 y to the power of 5 per 2 squared means 4 x to the power of negative 4 y to the power of negative 6. Okay, so 12 divided by 4 we can simplify. So 3 here. So 3x. Okay, yang ni cikgu cakap angkat geng. So x 3 minus negative 4. But duduk di bawah kan, divide. So minus negative 4 plus 4. Y to the power of 5 minus negative 6 plus 6. Okay, we can skip the step. Okay, so 3x to the power of 7, y to the power of 11. Okay, for question number 34, so kita angkat geng kita. So x to the power of 9 minus 3 plus negative 3 minus 3 minus 5. Okay, minus 5. So minus 5 y negative 3 minus negative 2 plus 2. So the answer is x to the power of 1 y to the power of negative 1. So x to the power of 1 is not complete. So we have to change it to x only without power. Okay, so y to the power of negative 1 means per y. So we can put y here. Okay, the answer is x per y. Number 35. So we can simplify, angkat geng cuba cakap. So number dengan number, so 2 times 5 10. Okay, x, okay, x 3. Sini tak ada apa, means 1. So 3 plus 1 times y 2 plus 2. So the answer is 10 x to the power of 4 y to the power of 4. Okay, number 36. So macam biasa, angkat geng. So 81 divide, we can put per 27. Okay, x power dia 3 divide so minus 4. Okay, y power dia 2. Okay, divide minus 2. So we can simplify here. We can get 3. So 3 x 3 minus 4 negative 1. So y 2 minus 2 0. Okay, yang ni pun susah Amira nak jawab ni, 2 minus 2. Okay, so y to the power of 0 is 1. Okay, kalau tak sure tak apa, kamu boleh test. So 3 to the power of 0, tekan je calculator, kamu akan dapat 1. Okay, tekan yang lain pula. Okay, let's say 5 to the power of 0, tekan dapat 1. So apa-apa power 0, we can get 1. So 1 times dalam benda apa pun, dia dapat benda tu balik. So tak ada dalam y. Okay, so x to the power of negative 1, we can put x here. So 3 power dia 1, so tak payah tukar. Memang power dia 1 lah. Memang duduk sini. So the answer is 3 per x.